Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going into makeup and skincare brushes by Artis. You know, at first when I was looking at Artis brushes, just to be honest with you guys, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work on my face. They are quite more on the expensive side. You know, Tati was reviewing them and she loved them to heart. And I was like, oh, maybe I need to try these brushes, you know? And then once I tried them on, you guys, I was like shook. Like my makeup looks so much better, especially my foundation. I would think that it wouldn't like, you know, do its thing properly on my face, but after trying it out, this is just like insane. So I really have to talk to you guys about this one in particular because this one, I applied my foundation with this one, which it comes into a little pouch like this to protect your brush and you can put it back. And this one is the Artis Elite Oval 7 and this is one of the best sellers that they have on their website. So this one retails for $75 USD as well. So they are quite more on the expensive side, but this one, you can feel the weight from this brush and it's not too heavy to the point where you're like, oh my god, this is way too heavy. It has a good luxury weight to it. There's a nice chrome finish again. There's some white on the side with rubber so it doesn't slip in your fingers. And then you have a nice little oval shape from the brush with the tightly packed bristles that are super soft on the brush. I could just do this all day long, reducing my anxiety. Like I'm telling you guys, you touch this and it's just very soothing to the soul. Like it's just... So they say that this one has a premium metal alloy that has luxury density, increased durability, and feels even smoother to the touch, which is totally true. Obviously, it says the foundation, concealer, highlight, blush, bronzer, powder, looser press, and skincare products can be used with this one. And I totally agree. When you see it, you're like skeptical. You're skeptical until you actually use it. And I'm not even joking, you guys. I don't know what it does to the face, but like I was applying this new foundation, this new cheap foundation, and like it applied it like a dream. Like, what is this? And then you see there's barely any product in it after using it, so it doesn't really absorb any product whatsoever, and it just really covered everything. It doesn't really make any streaks on the face, as you can see. Like I don't have any, you know, foundation streaks on it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Honestly, you guys, I am absolutely shook with this brush. I will be using it on a day-to-day basis, applying my foundation from now on, and I really recommend this one, especially this one, because this is so multi-purpose. Even if it has like an oval shape, it kind of gets in there pretty easily. Like you see the video of me applying my makeup and it goes in there like, you know, in the little crevices, and then I just drag it around like this and it just covers my under eyes. And I didn't even have any concealer on. I only had foundation and it was just covering, and it's just so beautiful. So the newest addition to the collection was the Fini Brush from Artis in the Monograph collection. The first time that I was seeing these brushes and touching them, they are just so soft. Everything is so packed, compact, and you can feel the quality of these brushes. From the Artis website, this one, they say that it is an affordable luxury and it is the perfect size to be using it for skincare, makeup, and it's not only about one step out of the way, it is way more than that. So you can use it for foundation, blush, contour, bronzer, and the fact that you can hold it from various positions on your hand is just easy to work with. And also the teardrop oval type of shape is really great because you can get into these little crevices, very thin corners where you can go on an angle just using the tip of the brush. You can go full on, you know, it's a very specific size for the contour if you want. For the blush, it's thin enough where you can go to specific areas, and it is long enough so you can really swipe across the entire face and give really full coverage for different purposes. So this one is definitely less expensive than the other Artis brushes. This one retails for $29.50 USD. So this one I wanted to try it on with you guys on camera on my beautiful arm. Woo! And I wanted to use it with some Huda Beauty Nymph to see how well it goes on the skin, because I was searching for a brush for the body, and I feel like for me specifically, this brush, I would use it for the body because it is quite easy to go around and to cover some areas. Be specific if you want over here, you know, there's different ways to do it. I really like how it feels. First of all, the fibers are very packed together. It feels so smooth. And we're just gonna go straight into it on my arm. So, whoops. I applied 2 droplets. They are right here. I feel like you could even apply sunscreen with this. And there's barely anything left on the brush except for maybe the middle where I applied the little nymph on here. It's very comfortable to hold, and on top of this, it's not very shiny on the side. Like, you have this beautiful chrome finish, but then you have these white parts where it's kind of rubbery, so it doesn't slip in your hands. So that's really great. The only thing is, since it's white, it's gonna get dirty. Already my fingers have some makeup on it, and it's gonna get a little bit dirty. But it's better if you kind of wash your brushes every single time you're using it with a makeup cleanser, like a makeup brush cleanser, and they're gonna last you super, super long. This one I really like. Honestly, it gives a really nice finish, and I like how it's holding. So this is, again, their newest addition on their collection. So I'm gonna start with this one because I think it's so cute because it comes into a little pack. Oh my god. I love the gray, the silver, everything. They have a lot of things with only silver in there. And then you open it up and you have the brush that is holding in there. And this is specifically made for skincare, so that's why it is called the Digit S for skincare Oval 8. I kind of like the shape of it actually. It's like different than a regular brush, and it is a little bit curved with your finger if you want. You know, it's very comfortable to hold, and I have pretty small hands. So I feel like even if you have bigger hands than me, you're still gonna be able to hold it from different, you know, positions. And the Digit Skincare Oval 8 brush is designed to be used with skincare products such as serums, oils, moisturizers, masks, sunscreen, and body lotion. Really great because you can literally do your entire skincare regimen with this, and it doesn't really absorb any of the product whatsoever, which I tried it with a primer and I didn't know, but anyways, it had it created a little bit of color. So there's a little bit of color in there right now, but I'm gonna have to clean it up, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be super easy to clean. Other than that, the fibers are super, super soft on the skin, especially when you are using it on, you know, on your face, because this distributed the product really evenly. It didn't absorb anything, like I said, and it just made my skin look so beautiful and feel really, really soft. Oh, and the nice thing about this, which I'm rating off their website, the Fibers Cosmic Fiber Bundle boasts a one-of-a-kind coating designed to maintain the formulas of skincare products while improving brush cleanup of tricky serums, cream, and oils, because, you know, you have all of these things all over your hands when you're applying it with your hands. This one is a little bit more expensive than the other one because you do have a little bag with it, and it retails for $75 USD, which if you are using it on a day-to-day basis, I feel like it's really worth it. And if you have like a hard time applying your skincare products, or if you have really, really long nails, because sometimes long nails, you know, you can, you know, stab yourself in the eye, which happens to me a little bit, so I'm trying to avoid some of these things. This is just really easy, and I was applying it with my moisturizer, as you can see, and honestly, it was such a dream to apply my moisturizer with this. Like, what? It just feels so good. It just feels like a really big luxury when I'm using it. So I always love a good luxury on my face. So then I take my little brushes and I just put them into the little container, and I can bring those brushes. And if you're going on a trip, for example, you have this one brush you can do your entire face with, which is amazing. You don't need like 20 million brushes. There you go. I have the 3 brushes stuck in there. So anyways, this is what I think about Artis brushes. Honestly, I feel like they are more on the expensive side. They are more of a luxury brand, of course, but these brushes are just absolutely amazing, and they're gorgeous, and they are multi-purpose, you know, like applying liquid creams. It's gonna be super easy with these brushes, and they're gonna create a seamless finish. You're saving product in the end. Your face is gonna look even better, and I just feel like I'm gonna be using these all the time. Yeah, so anyways, everything is gonna be listed down below if you want to go check them out, because they are quite amazing, I'm telling you guys. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video as well, because we're gonna get more into like the brushes, because I have a bunch of brushes to review. So many brushes, and I kind of like kept, you know, just using them and not doing reviews, but more reviews on brushes will be coming soon. So yeah, so if you did like this video, make sure to like the video, comment down below if you tried Artis brushes before. If you want to try Artis brushes in the future, comment down below as well. I would love to know. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for some content every single week on a beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and a whole lot more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.